Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to get enrolled in Bankwest Bank online banking. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Bankwest Bank enrollment and click on this first website over here. And if we scroll down, we can see this option called Enroll Now. So let's tap on this. Now enter your last name and your social security number. Enter your date of birth and enter a zip code as well. And you can enter your username or login ID you want to create and simply click on continue. After which, the verification of the details we have given will be done and we'll get into next step in which we need to create the password. Once you create the password, we'll finally get enrolled in Bankwest Bank online banking. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.